like we're starting a new class from tomorrow. So if you feel that in this class you want to join the other group, please join. You have from now till June to pay your money, to June 15. See, are they kind enough? Now, for all students, that is all student means say you don't join this class before. To me, you don't become all student. And they only call it 60. What is 60 euro? Nothing. Practically nothing. You know, go owe me. Once that June 15 reach, anybody over pay 60 euro, no, will not fit there again. It's very easy on a platter of good. You see I'm now. So you know go even sweat. But if you can't owe me, now be saying maybe you know they're grateful about this thing. Because I will help you a lot. Number two, if you be new student, if you give my number to your friend, I know they collect 60 euro, don't forget. Will they collect different money? But if you join this class already, now only 60 euro they collect. So please, it's on a platter, na regalo, na gift. You see I'm so we'll take them serious. So students, we're about to move now.
Please, sir,
Watch.
can I ask a question, sir?
Yes,
Please,
sir. Yes, sir.
Saying that someone wants to enter, so I don't know, just my idea, because for my work now, if we dey close around 6 something before, but because saying that someone I will come dey close 7:30. I know that you
That one,
understand.
Wala.
So you see,
Actually, yeah, I understand, but 7 o'clock now we do the start lesson. I'm sorry. We'll discuss that later. There are other ways you can go about.
Oga Charles,
Yes, my brother.
now this whether na now that was my problem and that little na method area. Those things I don't know like we dey study on my own. Then if I know wetin I know understand, I will send am for you.
Of course, my brother. Why not?
Okay,
One more thing again, students. If you feel say
you
meet, if you feel say I dey call my brother, if you feel say we want meet face to face because your exam was so rich, move do am. I dey do am with some people. You get one particular woman, her exam na 21st of June. We dey meet 3 days of lesson. We go talk. Now, we go sit down, we go discuss am. You see am. So notice only here we did class. There are some people where we say we meet face to face sometime. There are some people we say we meet face to face they study. Not be free. You see am now. So you can do such a thing if you want. All right, guys, let us start.
Yes, sir, we don't teach liquid method area for this class.
We never do about your exam not be today. You know they do exam today.
No, I hear they are.
No. I'm not sure so we don't do them because now one of the things we need to finish on Friday. All right. Students, watch. Let us start. I will call up a student. You know me, I don't teach you now the 4 laws. I don't do my best on this thing. So I will call you guys up now. The bats now they for our hand. They say now, I'm not going to even stress myself. The bats now they for our hand. When I go explain to the class, you go take us through this journey. I'll call you up one by one. You will tell us the answer because me, I don't teach you now all my best. I'll start from Mr. Jeff because now you I see here first. So we're going to call everybody. Now, Mr. Jeff, what you are seeing here, explain to the class.
Yeah, good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, we have TMA0 and Cham should go first because in the third law, Cham should always go first. So Cham will go, and then we are looking at I put myself in A, inside A. There is an M and O. So I don't think A right hand side is free, but cannot pass to Motorino or Motorino right side. So and 0 is I put myself into 0, which actually is going forward. It can't pass to A front side because A is at the right side. So now I think A will go because it can pass. I think it can pass to Motorino. A will go, and then 0 will go, and then M will go.
No, very wrong. It's not correct. Mrs. Ifolua. Hello, Mrs. Ifolua. I beg, time they go. I beg, if we call you, please, students. All right, ma. Take us through this journey. Like the way my brother, take us your journey. Explain.
Okay, let me try. Okay, it means the tram needs to go first. Then A, we move to the center of the intersection for a left turn. Then O, we wait until A don't enter intersection before you go move. Then only M go fit go after O don't pass.
Hey, my sister, you said something very nice. You can't feel them. Hey,
Yeah.
you said something very nice. I surprised. I shocked.
I
I'm
even
shocked because
forget
you
now.
come out for class.
I
You
even
just shocked me
forget
now,
now.
my sister. You started very well. You can't fail them. What happened?
Me, I even forget
I bet
now.
try again. Can you correct yourself, ma? Try again, ma. Look am very well. Look am very well. You are there. You are there. You can't fail them.
Okay. The child will go first. Then A go move to the intersection for left turn. Then O go wait
Mm.
until A.
Ah, you don't fail them again. All right, no verse, my corner. Mr. Joffrey. My sister, just
Okay.
think about what you are saying.
Uh,
Just think about it. Mr. Joffrey.
okay. I put myself. The third Lord said that Tran will go first. Then will come to the center the section because it will pass the front of the then it will stop. Then O will pass. Then after O pass, then M will go. Then A will just pass
Nice
through.
one. I beg, Muna clap hand for abeg. I beg. Muna no
Clap,
verse. Muna clap hand for
clap for
abeg.
that.
I beg, Muna clap hand for her. You know, so we dey clap
Ba,
for this
ba, ba,
class.
ba, 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 ba.
All right, you try very well. Mrs. Follower, you say you are there. You can't fail am. Because I was surprised. You shocked me. A go stop for the center. Yes.
I said now.
Yeah, but you can't fail am. You can't just say O go come
You
wait.
feeling?
You know, say once A don't enter center, yeah, don't they free for O to go because the right side is now free. You don't notice am. That's why I gave you a chance to do it again, but you can't fail am again because once A stops in the center here, the right side of O is now free. O can now go, and once O don't go now, the right side of M is free. M can go. All right. Let's go to the next one. So, students, like I said, these things now not supposed to am. I'm not gonna waste time here. All right, next one. Let me call that student. Let me start from. All right, Mr. Chris. Hello, Mr. Chris. Mr. Chris.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Ah,
What is happening here? I hope that you see the answer.
no.
All right, Mr.
Sir,
Chris.
can you zoom it a little bit? I can't see it.
Blaise, now you go zoom your phone a little bit.
Okay. Let me zoom it.
You just carry your phone, zoom am.
No.
No, because I'm trying to block the. I don't want to see the answer.
Can I go?
Yeah. Continue, sir.
Okay. I put myself in B. So B will go first.
Hmm?
Wait now. Before you start to tell who go first now, just explain now. Just try because so you don't do mistake.
Okay, I put myself in B. So B, the right side is free. So why C? C, the right side is occupied by any.
By
So in
H.
that aspect, it's H. Okay, by H. So in that aspect, B will go first. So then H will follow. Then C will go last.
All right. Please, anybody ever get different answer? Is anybody ever get different answer? I beg, if you know they clear, maybe you better ask. Student, if this is not clear to you, ask question no, because trust me, if you miss this part, wahala dey. Trust me, if you miss this part, wahala dey, because it will be difficult for you to see somebody that will teach you this way, the way I taught you this thing. So it's better you ask your question, guys. All right. So the order of movement is here. What you are seeing here is BHC. All right, guys. So I'm happy some people don't understand the order of movement. Now let me call that person. Who is here again? All right, Mrs. Elus. Hello, Mrs. Elus. Hello, ma. All right. We can't wait for her. Let's continue. All right, Mr. Henry. Mr. Henry. All right, let's leave Mr. Henry. Mrs. Sonia. Hello, Mrs. Sonia.
Hello, sir. Good evening, sir.
Okay, good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Okay, can you explain to the class what you are seeing here?
Sir, I was busy before, but I'm online now.
No, don't worry, sir. I'll call you later. Mrs. Sonia, continue.
Okay, sir. In this Incrocci, the first vehicle will go
Don't
pass
touch it. Don't touch it.
where the right hand side dey free na L. Wey trajectory dey go straight. Go pass L go pass first because the right hand side dey free. Nobody dey block am from the right hand side. Then followed by after L pass, followed by C. Nobody dey block am. After L don pass, you no get anybody wey dey block am for the right hand side. C go pass. The last person to leave the enclosure na vehicle H. Now go come conclude to
Nice
pass.
Is there anybody that have a different answer? Is there anybody have a different answer? Mr. Henry, you dey talk here, you get different answer. All right, let's move on. So it is very, very clear. Please, if you have a different answer, please, you can ask. You can talk. All right, let's call that person. I beg. If you're not answering, please let us reduce the noise. All right. Who again? Yeah. All right, Mr. Lucky Sky. Hello, Mr. Lucky Sky. Okay.
Mr. Charles.
All right, good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Okay, what is happening here? Look at it very well. It's not easy. It's tricky. What's happening here?
Yeah, it's very the way they look at now. Okay. Let me put myself so B now. B now if you B one because if I check the trajectory with the B with that E, when B move, the trajectory with A, they will jump for the same category. So fortunately B cannot move. Then also with A, if A move now, then which is A, the trajectory with A is the descent category, which is if A move, they'll jump for the same spot. Then my put myself to A now, the left hand side is free. The right hand side is free. So for this category, now A will first move. If A move now first, then E, the right hand side is free because E will come move. The last person to move for it be B. And B be the last person to move.
Yes, I have a question for you. Why B go before E? Sorry, why B go be the last person? Why B no if he go before E?
Because why B no if he go before A? Because they are the same direction that they go with the trajectory. Because the right hand side is occupied.
Exactly. Remember, from the first law, if you pass for the front of anybody occupying your right hand side. All right. You got it correct. Very, very important. All right, guys. Is there anybody who get different answer?
I want to ask a question. Why A go pass in front of please I go back to that.
Yes.
Why A go pass front of B first?
For front of B?
Yeah.
He no pass for in front.
Because he say A go
I
go.
get a different answer.
Okay, I come. Okay. All right. Before I answer your question, let me hear Mr. Geoffrey answer. I will answer your question later.
He say A go go.
In this question, in this paragraph, I put myself in B. See that the trajectory is not jamming any person, going the same direction with E, and E is in the right hand side. Then A is going another direction. If we move it, the trajectory will jam the E equally. Then and the right hand side is free. Then in this case, A and B will go at the same time because they are going different directions. Then after A and B go, then E will follow last.
Allora. Let me explain something here, my brother. Watch. The first law said what? Now, your understanding of this thing, it makes sense. But look, now, if you apply the first law, but that's why patente it's not logic. Now, the first law says that look at their trajectory, analyze their trajectory. Now, we don't understand, say, in this particular place, everybody have their right side occupied. Shebu don't agree for that one, B. We agree for that one. But look at very well. Look at A and B. My brother, watch. Look at A and B. If we say everybody get their right side occupied, look at where A is going to. Remember, you always check their right-hand side. Now, you are talking about the left-hand side. The left hand of B is free. It's very, very free, the left hand. But in the first law, we didn't discuss about the left hand. We're talking about the right. The first law said, now the person will go, now the person where they come from the right hand side. Now, who is this person coming from the right hand side? Now, the answer is this. The person will get the right hand side free. That is the answer to your question. And now why we not go say B will go first. Now, if you want to even answer your question more, remember, inside the first law, you cannot pass in the front of anybody occupying your right hand side. Now look at B, my brother. B is going to the direction of that direction. He's going to his left hand, Abi, to this direction.
Yeah.
Yes. Now
Yeah.
look at E. He's going to that same direction. And moreover, E is on the right side of B. B cannot pass in his front. So that just makes you understand that, look, that's why Patente is not an author of confusion. That's why they make you understand about the first law that, look, you cannot pass in the front of anybody occupying your right hand side. If they never said this thing, it will be a problem. Don't be me invent them. All this is not trick. Now, if they say now why A go before B. Even though say you go say B gets his left side very, very free. Because if you look at this now the left side of B now even they more freer past every other side. Now, to shock you more, now B go be the last person to go here because of the first law.
Okay.
See him now. So A, at the end of the day, has his right hand free. Even if these guys are going that same direction, yes, even though B, they go that direction, E, they go that same direction, because don't understand, say, they will hit themselves if you are not careful. But if you apply first law here, you understand that A can go first. E, and now B. I know that answer your question, Mr. Jeff, also.
Yes.
All right.
Yes, sir. I thought Mr. Lucky Star said B would be the one to go last.
B will go last.
No, he got it correct. Now, B go last.
Yes.
B now the last person to go.
But if, to my own phone, the phone where I own, so A they pass front of B, which is the right hand side.
Move go back again.
Move go back side.
Allora.
Is it left or right?
I just explained. No. I just explained that thing. Now that this question you asked me now. Now waiting my brother asked the same thing. I just explained them. No. I don't even know. I don't even forget where I find that question. I would like to, because this thing is not supposed to jump on myself, but I'm just going randomly. So honestly, I don't know where I picked that one from. But I know that you follow the response. Apply the first law, you understand. Don't look at the left hand. Is it clear? All right.
C62.
All right, let me call. I'm coming. Let me call on that person. My brother, please, that your question. Maybe we can talk about it later, but please apply first law. All right, Mr. Israel. Hello, Mr. Israel. Okay, Mr. Mavis. Okay, Mr. Israel. All right. What did happen for you?
I'm not trying because I didn't want to move to matter. Allora, according to the third law, so anytime you see tram has to go first. So for this Incrocci, so the tram has to go first. And if the tram go, then you have Ellie and E. They can go because Ellie don't get the right hand free because the tram don't come out, and A not get to the block line. So the right hand free can go. So they will go complementary then before C right will go last for you.
Okay, nice one. I have okay. Should we talk say A and L go together? You know what you talk?
Yeah, A and L go
okay.
Together. Yeah.
I have a question for the class. Again, anybody will get different answer. I have a question for the class. Can T and A go together? Look at it very well.
Yes, of course.
Sir.
No.
They can't go.
Why? Okay, the question is why?
They can't because Ellie is blocking the right side.
Wait, no, what? Now T and A. T and because my brother, see, Mr. Israel got it correct. Now correct when talk. A and L, they can go together after T don't go. But I can't ask a different question. Why be say T and A no if you go like no? Why can T and A go together? Yeah.
They can
No,
go
sir.
No, they cannot go.
They can go, sir. Abi?
They can go.
They cannot go.
They cannot go according to the third law that tram have to go first.
TLA can go CMS. We can also conclude last because
No,
it's not blocking the tram.
I know that,
But
guys.
Yeah, they can go. They can go.
The Toya is not jamming.
They are not jamming each other. They can go.
They cannot go. The trajectory will end up the same way now.
Let go. All right, let me break it down. All right, guys, watch. This question what I ask now. It they come up for quiz. It they come up for they even like my sister said something. Say, I even heard she said T, A, and L can go together. This is they come up for quiz. Now it is very, very wrong. Is it clear now? Students, watch. If you apply, now watch. Why? Let me start by telling you guys why T, A, and L cannot go together. Remember, you know if you pass for the front of anybody occupying your right answer. Now think about if they go together, na catastrophe. L and T, they will hit each other. If they go together, like what Mr. Israel said, they cannot even go together, three of them. Because this is the point for quiz. Now, why is it correct that only only A and L can go together here? Now, before I answer that question, which my brother already explained, let me explain to you guys why T and A cannot go together. Now, watch. If you say T and A go together, remember they're going the same direction. It's very, very risky, Seth, for the two of them to go together. Because if you look at logically, A go first turn here before he go here, and T they go straight. You they see them now. It's very, 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 very risky for A and T to go together. You they see them now. But if once T don't liberate the road, once T has liberated the road, it's easier for you to say A and L will go together. Because the truth is that A will not have anybody where they occupy right hand side. A no get anybody who go fit block them anymore. You they see them now. And I want to also tell you more. You know, in your book, there will not be any place where they explain to you these things, except you go to a school where when they discuss and they will now tell you guys why and why and why. That's why I have to ask you guys this question. Because it comes out in quiz where they will tell you, say, T and A will go together. What will happen to L? If you understand now? So that's the reason why A and T cannot go together. Because once T they do that turning to go that place, it's very, very risky for him on this type of road. Is it clear? It's very, very risky. Even normal, guys. When this kind of things happen, for those that are staying at Charly side, you can't see this kind of situation. Because it's very risky. You can go and hit tram. So it's very, very easy. Say tram will just go. Then A and L can go together. All right. Now watch. If to say, now, it would have made sense. Now watch, you have on that question. I have on that question. See my question now. If L they go straight, watch you. If L they go straight, see the question now. If L they go straight now, can L and T go together the same time?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
The answer is yes, because they are going different direction. You see them now. Now, why they go? But these two now, A and L, they are going to the same direction, and it's risky. That is why A and T cannot go together. But if to say, for example, now, if I turn them around now, say L is going straight and T is going straight, they are going two different directions. So L and T, we will soon see this particular quiz. They can go together in that situation. All right, guys. Let's continue. Let's see on that one. This one is very difficult, which you guys have to pay. Now you know the method you go apply here. All right, let me see. All right, remember Mr. Henry, on your mic, sir.
Okay.
All right, take your time. All right. Okay, sir.
Lama, wait, don't run. Come in. Okay. Wait, let me zoom it a little. Okay. Now let's put ourselves on D. Now, if maybe D is going, it will meet arrow at the front, meaning there's no possibility of D moving first. Then the same thing with N. N can still jam that D or arrow at the same time. So what it should be done, D have to wait. D, come to this side. D have to go to the center in order for you to allow arrow, which is arrow, the left hand side is free. So when D turn to right, to the middle, arrow can move. Then when arrow moves, then the right hand side of N is free. So N will go. Meanwhile, the B is still on the middle. Now, the arrow have left, then the same thing with N. The one that is remaining, Rama, wait. Don't walk to the road. The one that is remaining, it will remain D and B. So D has its right hand side is free, can go then before B. So the order of transit is arrow N DB. Come to this side.
All right, you try, but there's something you missed here. Something you missed here. I like the way you explain it, Mr. Justice. Hello, sir.
Can I try?
Now there's something you missed here.
Come to this side. Come to this side.
Yeah, I mean, yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Justice.
Yes, sir.
All right, sir.
Okay. First of all, B will, according to the vote law, that one have to give way for the other to pass. So B will come to the center, then allowing arrow to be free to go. The arrow will go. Then B will still remain at the center. Then in this particular place now, D and A can go contraplemente because the strategy of D is going toward another direction while N is going straight. So while B is here at the middle, then when they now finally go, the B cannot leave the Incrocci. So B has to go last.
I beg, I'm not clap hand for I beg. You don't say they clap hand for this class. No best. I'm not clap hand.
Bravo.
With a clap hand. All right, my brother, you try very well. Very honestly, I'm very proud. You try very well. I bet more this is here. You get anybody who don't understand what my brother talk, or you don't understand what he explain. So look at it very well. These are things you can see in your quiz, and it's not even easy. You understand me? You are not. Look at it very well. My brother said D and N will go together, and it make a lot of sense because their direction, their trajectory, they are two different places. You see them now. There are two different directions. So that's why when you are analyzing, that's why it is good to analyze it very, very well before you answer. You see them now. Once B comes to the center, because the truth is that when all of them not talk, everybody have their right side occupied in this particular place. You see them now. So the only thing that can happen is that B can just imagine, say you put rotatorial for the middle. B comes to the middle. Arrow just clears that place. Now you cannot say N go, D go come go. Now look if N they go, what about D? D can still go because the trajectory is very, very free. Even D and B, they are going two different directions. Always check the directions. So D and N, they can go. Then the last to go here, that to complete the movement is B. Is it clear now, students? Let's be sincere. You get person to understand what my brother explained. All right, guys. These are things you can not say me. I teach you in a different way. It's not left for you now to do the quiz on your own because me, hey, this one is very, very sweet.
Hello, sir. But more go back. I want to ask a question.
Hey, my brother, you know, anyone will come out. I don't know where I go find them again.
Okay. More continue.
I don't know where I go find them again because
I know the answer anyway. Let's go.
All right, now you answer and you got it correct. All right. So I have let me call Mr. Wing. Mr. Wing, take your time because this one is not easy. You have to analyze it very, very well. Mr. Wing. All right, Mr. Mavis. Hello, Mr. Mavis. Mrs.
Can I
Precious.
try this one?
No, Mr. Charles. Mr. Charles, I bet if they give any if you want to ask questions, not they tell us say this one not easy. It's not easy. So they make some people not even open their mouth again.
They don't open my mic. Some people don't want to open mic. All right, Mr. Jeff. Okay, Mr. Jeff. Try, Mr. Jeff.
Okay, sir.
No, Mr. Charles.
Mr. Mavis, we don't already call somebody else. We don't already call somebody else.
Sir, you should try since you have not tried.
No.
Mr.
Jeff, continue. No worry. Mr. Jeff, continue.
Okay, sir.
No, tell them to go outside now. Anti class.
We'll call you later. We'll call you later. We don't call you before. Okay, Mr. Jeff, continue.
Okay, sir. We have let me put myself into arrow. So I put myself into arrow, sir. So arrow cannot go. Arrow have to hold on. So I also put myself into C.
Can I try?
Mr. Chris,
No,
oh yeah,
no,
try.
Make a
Mr. Jeff,
try.
you think about that. Mr. Chris, continue.
Okay,
Let me try.
I put myself in vehicle E.
Okay. I think I'm
Yeah.
there.
So E, if I want to go, arrow is blocking me. So then if I put myself in arrow, if I want to go, L is blocking me. So then and I go to A. If I want to go also, C is blocking me, then I put myself in C. So if I put myself in C, C is having is C can go first.
No.
C can go first, then
Okay.
A we have to wait for C to go first. Then after C go first, then it's right A right hand is now free. A cannot go
Good.
because it has already leave that place open. So A cannot go. Then after A go, then L cannot follow because the part of A is not free. So L cannot go. Then after L go, then arrow can go because L is, has already left that place. That place is already free. Then arrow cannot go. Then E will not go last.
Exactly. Exactly.
You try
Try,
well.
bro.
But you try well, but I mean,
try.
I want to know why you talk say A, sorry, you said C go first go. Why? What make you arrive to that conclusion? Now I want to know.
Because it's right, it's not going to the right hand, so it's going to the left hand.
It's going to the left hand side.
So he has Precedenza over A.
And if you look to moreover, if you look at his own trajectory, how many cars they go that same place?
It's theory.
No, look at it. You said Shebi says C go first, Abi.
C go first, yes.
How many people they go in trajectory? Look at his trajectory. How many people they go there?
It's only in one.
Only and they go there.
Yes.
They see him now. I beg, is anybody here will not understand what my brother talk? I can't get a funny question here. Can C and L go together? Because it is not said that my brother got it correct. Can C and L go together?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Eh?
Because what you said,
Yes, sir,
they
because
can't
they are
go
going
together.
to different directions.
it
They can't
doesn't
go
go
can't.
together.
They can't.
They can't go together.
There, A is there, so they cannot go
L,
together.
C and L, they can go together.
For me, they
Because
can't go.
L is left. The right is free.
L can go.
If the right is if the
No,
right,
A
the
is
right
blocking
free
it
because
too.
A is blocking it.
A is
Yeah.
blocking it. Yeah, A is blocking it. But the trajectory is going different ways.
Two different ways,
The
same way.
trajectory is going the same direction. So A is blocking. They are going to the A and L are going to the same direction. So A is blocking L.
Yeah.
Allora. My students gonna watch. Okay, who answered this question, sir? Mr. Jeff, sorry, now Mr. Chris, Abi.
Yes.
Yes,
Mr.
sir.
Chris, in a nutshell, without going, what will be the order of movement? Lastly again, what will be the order of movement?
My order of movement is C-A-L-R-E.
C-A-L-R-E. You get person get different answer. Let's start from there.
For me, I don't think so. Because why? Both A and C, they are meeting each other at the same point.
A and C. Now, that is why my brother first analyze everything. That's why I can't answer that question. Why is it that you can't say C go first? Yeah, my brother, if you look at it very well, yeah, you say they will meet at the same point. Who go Congo? We no go sleep there, right? We cannot sleep there. We must decide who go first go. Now my brother can't decide say C go first go. That's why I asked him that question. Look at the trajectory of C. Look at the trajectory of C. Only am they go that direction at the end of the day. You dey see am now. Only am they go that direction at the end of the day. Practically, his left side is so free because his right side is occupied by who? By all these guys who dey by right hand side. But the direction when they go is so free. That place when they go is so free. And only am they go that direction. You dey see am now. Now watch. Once C don't liberate that place, who is the next person to go? You don't see and say the road for A is the same thing. It don't dey very free also because the right side is now very, very free. My brother also said that after A don't come out, L can now go. Aru now go. And the last person now E. Shebi na what you talk, Abi?
Yes.
Yeah.
I have a question for you, my brother. Can Aru and E go the same time?
Aru and E. No, they can't go together.
Why?
because
I cannot do it.
because arrow is blocking the right side of E, and they are going to the same
The same
direction.
direction. Of course, arrow they be in right hand side. All right, guys. Please, is anybody we see they confused about this thing?
Just I did confused with Batamo because this E now did the horizontal route.
Okay, let me break it down for you guys. I bet Mona watch. Now, students watch. Everybody now put yourself. Let's start from L. Put yourself inside L. A is going to that direction, which we are seeing there, B. Now, on going to that direction, of course, if he's not careful, he will hit arrow, he will hit E. You see him, he go hit E. Now, who they in right hand side? A they in right hand side because they go the same direction. You see him now. And we learn that on the first law, you cannot pass in front of anybody occupying your right hand side because they are the direction. See the direction. That means A day in A day for right hand side. Everybody put yourself inside arrow. Arrow on his right hand side, he has L. We'll just put it like that. Everybody put yourself inside E. E has his right side occupied by L and R. Now, everybody put yourself inside C. It is true that if they are not careful, they will hit themselves. But let us now decide who will first of all pass. Now, look. C going to his left-hand side. First of all, that direction is going to is so very, very, very free. You see him now. Nobody they occupy that road when they go. Nobody they go that. Nobody they even occupy that direction when they go. So he can just complete that vault. He can go to that place easily. You see him now because if C no liberate that place, nobody fit go here. Nobody. So once C liberates that place now, because his direction when they go is very, very free. Look at it very well, guys. Because we don't understand, say, if they're not careful, they can hit each other. But let us now decide who go first pass. Yeah, normally you cannot just apply the first law. You see him now. Now, C can now liberate this place. Because look at his direction. Now, once C don't liberate that place, apply the first law now. A can now go. L will go. R will go. And E will now go. Is it clear now? All right. So, guys, when we come out from break. Yes, sir. Yeah.
No, very, sir. If C don't come out for that place, now, if A go, A don't already block early now for front.
Oh, say once C don't come out there. No, my brother, say go first analyze them. We'll come decide who go come pass. Now, we know the analyzer. Now, when you don't date for the phase of analyzing, you see they decide who go first pass. But now, one decide who go pass. Now, L know the blocker. L cannot block A anymore. Because once C don't liberate here, somebody don't get a right side free.
Right side is free.
You see him now. So A will go. Once A don't go, L go go. R go go. E go go.